If you set goals and objectives at the beginning of the year, well, now it's time to check in and see how you're doing. So in this video, I'm issuing an invitation to all of you to check in. Show us what's going on with your vision boards. Stay tuned for the details. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT communities. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's jump into it. Miss V and myself issued a challenge at the end of last year and the first of this year to all of you YouTube creators to put together a vision board that was kind of your vision for what you wanted to manifest in your life for 2019. And we're almost at the end of the second quarter, so it is time to check in and see how you're doing. So what we want you to do is just let us know, where are you on achieving those goals that you set for yourself? If you need to update your vision board, you can. If you need to revise those goals, you can. If you have not started a vision board and now you want to jump in and create a vision board to kind of guide you for the last half of the year, then we would love to have you jump in on this challenge with us. So if you're wondering what the heck is a vision board, let me show you the one that I did for 2019. So this is my vision board for 2019, and one of the things that I did was I chose a word, and I encouraged all of you to do the same. But the word that I chose was strategic, and you can see it is here at the top of the board because my goal was to be strategic in all the things that I did on YouTube. So I'll have to come back and let you know how I managed to do that or whether or not I managed to do that. But just for now, I want you to see what I did. So now if you're curious about how to create a vision board, this is what you do. Now there are a number of different ways that you can put together a vision board. The big thing is you just want to cut out some pictures and words and elements, but things that mean something to you. So I chose elements and things that meant something to me, and that's what you do. And you can even see where in a couple of places I actually wrote out some things with pencil and pen that I just kind of really wanted to focus on. So they don't necessarily jump out that you can see them from the video, but I can see them when I'm taking a look at it. So here's my vision board for 2019, and one of the things that I did was I cut out pictures of myself, and these were things that I wanted to do and achieve for 2019. So I found pictures of myself that would be relevant for the vision board. I also cut out pictures from other places, magazines and different things like that to represent what I wanted to do. For example, I wanted to get a new bedroom suit, so I cut out pictures of bedroom suits. I cut out pictures of myself doing yoga and Pilates because I wanted to make sure that I was on track with that. I also had plans for my YouTube channel, so I used my Big Shot to cut out letters for that, and then just kind of found some other pictures that had YouTube stuff on it, then I printed those off. And again, these are just more things that I just cut out of magazines to remind me about what I wanted to do. And then, of course, I'm always into flowers and things like that, so I just kind of cut out the picture of the flowers with this picture of the birds on it, that kind of thing. And then some other things that I wanted to do for 2019. So regarding eating, regarding clothing, regarding relationships. So this is just how I put my vision board together. Some people put their vision boards together small enough that they could put it like in a small book, like 8 by 10. Some people did completely digital vision boards, but there are numerous ways that you can work on creating a vision board. The big thing is you want to pull together some elements that mean something to you. I hope you plan on joining V and I in this challenge to give us an update as to where you are with your vision boards for 2019. If you're not familiar with Miss V, I will link her channel below so that you can get to know her. One of the things that I'm learning is that What gets measured gets improved. Now, one of my YouTube mentors is always saying that, and I've kind of adapted that quote. So what gets measured gets improved. And as I look at my vision board, I'll be able to tell you exactly what I was able to measure and what I was able to improve on and what I still got some work to do on. So hopefully you're going to plan to join us in this effort. And I will link my vision board 2018 below, as well as my vision board video from 2019. Then you'll be able to really get a good idea as to whether or not I've made any progress. So what questions do you have about creating a vision board? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, and a little about gardening, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to work on my vision board.